Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So up to the last lecture, we have learned uh, how to create the WBS activities and give their relationships. And in the last lecture, we talked about how to set up the calendar in a project. So I was thinking that up to the last lecture, so things were getting quite boring. So let's do something interesting today. So today, what we will do that we will learn how to create beautiful layouts and how to print, how to set up this print and page setups, and also make the PDF of your programs. So let's start with our today's lecture. So this type of very beautiful screen that you are seeing here, all this coloring and also this fonts and text, and this area is called Gantt chart. So this you see these dots that are representing the milestones, and also these are the bars, these are representing the activities. So all of these things we will create from the scratch. So what I will do that, so the layout option is here in the view tab. If you go to the view tab, and here is the option layout. So it is showing us this drop down list is giving us three options, that open layout, save layout, and save layout as. So what we will do that, we will click on the open layout. Then it is asking us, would you like to save the changes to this layout, and you press no. So I have created a layout for this project, but what we will do that, here classic schedule layout, this 1 2 3 4, there are some built-in layouts that are already in the our P6. So what we will do that, we will import one specific layout, and then we will do our changes to make it look like a very beautiful and presentable. So you must select this fourth option, classic schedule layout, and then click apply and open. So now you will see this type of window. You will see this type of window with not a very beautiful presentation as it was before. So let's first sort out this activities areas, and then we will go to Gantt chart. So what we'll do here, that just right click, and there's an option group and sort, click it. So here in this window, what you can do that, there are this 20 level of the WBS that you can manage the P6. So the 20 level of WBS are there. So what we do that, if you want to change any of this, then you click here, this one, double click it, and a small window will open, font and color. If you want to change this font, just click in the font option. So here it is showing Arial. So if you want to change it to another font, just for example, if I want to make it Structured MS, so I will click this Structured MS, and I will select bold, and I will select here from drop down list 20, because this is the first level of the WBS. The name of the project will appear in this level. And then here are some options: script, Western, Greek, and then effects, strikeout, underline. If you want to make it underline, strikeout, whatsoever, and the color you can select it from here. So what we will do that, we'll select the color also. I will make it this one, yellow. yellow color for the uh, W1 layout, WBS of level 1. So click OK, and then also color here we will change it to red one. Click OK. Then this second one also we will make a Topjet MS bold, and we will select 18, and color we will keep it black. Okay, so the color of this bar, the color of, not the bar, the color of this grouping band will keep, let's keep yellow. Then this third level of the WBS, what we'll do, same structure MS, we will make it bold and select 14, click OK. The color of this grouping band we will select green color, click OK. Then this fourth one, Topjet MS, color from here we will select black, we will select here 12. Okay, so this one, it is blue. If you want to make any other color, okay, let's select this one. You can select any color depending upon your choice. Then this one we will keep same 12, and we'll select here black. Okay, so this one we will give some new color. Press OK. So this sixth one, Topjet MS, keep it 12. It is already black. Okay, so this one, moving band, let's select this one, click. So this way you can, because in our program we have only activities up to, we have WBS up to level 6. So we will change these text and fonts up to WBS level 6. Then click apply and OK. Now you see that all of our font and this coloring has been changed. But there is one thing that we don't want to see this CCS codes of the WBS. We only want to show this WBS name. We don't want to show its code because it's not looking very beautiful. So just again go to group and sort, and uncheck this box ID code, name, description. We want to show only name and description. Click apply. Now you see that this ID has been gone. It is not showing here. Only the WBS name has been shown here. Also, if you see here, the width of this grouping bands is very big. So we want to make it, we want to squeeze it. So again we will go to group and sort, and we can check this option, shrink vertical grouping bands. So click apply and OK. So now you see that this vertical grouping bands are shrinked. So now what we want to do some more tricks, that this text is very small and the gap between these lines is very small. So first we will go to here, table font and row, select this option, go to font, also here Topjet MS, we'll select here, select regular and select 11. Okay, click OK, and the color of the background is white. We will keep it white, no color. Then this background color, we will not select any color. So this option we can select here uh, to make it big. So we will select here up to 22. And also we want to show icon for the activities, and just click here show icons, then apply and press OK. So now you see that our activity area is now looking very beautiful. So we have adjusted the layout for our activity area. Now what columns we want to see here? So you can select these columns from here. Just right click and go to columns. Activity name, activity ID, activity name, then original duration. Remaining duration we don't need now, because remaining duration option we will select when we will start updating the project. So this is the baseline, we need only start, finish and total float. So remaining duration and schedule percentage complete. Double click it, and so we don't need here. Then click apply and OK. Also this way you can select the width of the row. Now you see that you can also do the settings for these columns. Also go to columns. So activity ID is then keep activity name. So original duration, go to here edit column. So you can rename here original duration. You can write OR, also ORD. So we will keep the alignment center. Click OK. Start. Also we'll click this center, and also this one center, and this one also center. Then click apply and OK. Now you should see that the all of this text for these columns is now centered. So this activity area has been adjusted. So what we will do, that we'll go here. So let's save this layout as the sample layout. So go to view, layout, and click save layout as, right here, sample layout. Because later on when you want to open that specific layout, you can go here and you can open from here this one. Now we will move here to these activities areas, this Gantt chart. So this timeline we want to see in yellow color, so we want to change this color of this timeline. So go to here time scale and font and color. So font, if you want to select here any specific font, same drop chat, if you want to select, you can select it from here. And the color we want to show yellow background. No, this time scale, font and color has been changed. So you must go here on the time scale and then right click and go to time scale. Okay. The next option is that you are seeing this line. This line is representing here the data date. So whatever the date that you have scheduled this program, so that date is called the data date. So for this project, the data date is 25th October 2018. So it is starting from 25th October 2018. So you want to, if you want to give it some another color and increase its width, then you can select this bar chart option. Then in bar chart option you have here show relationships, show legends, limit text label characters with this one. So we will not do anything here. Then we will go here data date. So style is, you can select any style from here, so it's better to use this full line. Then you can increase widths, so we'll increase this width by 3. Then you click here and now you see that its width is increased. Then in bar chart option you have, apart from data date, you have sight lines. Sight lines, this grid lines that you are seeing here, you can adjust these also. Show major lines, style is shown here. If you want to click here, show major lines. Show minor lines at every this much rows. Vertical lines, you can select it here at the space of 1 month. So we'll select here show major lines, click OK. Because now it's not looking very beautiful, so we will uncheck this option. Show minor lines at every 5 rows, this one, at every 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5. So if we want to show it every 6 rows or 4 rows, you can select it from here. And then here show minor lines every 1 month. So if you want to show here weekly, you can select it here. Quarter, month, week. So if you want to click here week and select any other dotted line, this one, you can select it. So now it is showing you this dotted line at the space of every week. You see here, every week it is showing you the space. So this way you can do the settings for these lines. Now we want to do the setting for the bars. So all the bars are shown here. So currently which bars we are viewing, you can see here that actual work is shown in the blue color, because when we start up the updating, so whatever the activity we will click with the actual start and finish date, so that activity will be, the progress line will be shown by the progress bar will be shown by the blue color, remaining work by this green color, and critical remaining bar by the red color. So these are shown here. You can modify the shapes by clicking here. So shape is shown here, color is shown here, style is shown here. Then constraints, we have used any constraint here, so we don't want to show it. Then also milestones. Okay, if you want to change the style of the milestones, you can change here. So this is the drop down list. So we want to show it like this one, like this. And also if you want to change their color, you can change it from here. If you want to show it like green bars or any other color, so you can change the color from here. But here we will select only black color. Click OK. Pattern also you can select it from here. So there are different patterns are shown here. Here there are different patterns. So all these bars, this is the summary bar. So you can do the bar settings from this window. You can delete any bar, you can add any bar, you can shift down and up. So just click here, apply, and OK. Now you see that the milestones, this has been changed. So this is it for the layout. Now we have adjusted our this window area, also our this Gantt chart area. Now we will learn how to create a beautiful PDF copy of your program and how to adjust the print setup. So for the print and page setup, go to here, print preview, and this is, just click the print preview. Now you are not seeing here the Gantt chart. So click this option, page setup. First you need to select the page. Here select A3 from this drop down list, click apply. Then go to here this options, time scale start. So here your Gantt chart should start from the project start. So what we will do that, we will select earliest project start and time scale finish, PF latest project finish, and apply and OK. But still you are not able to see the bars here and also not here. So now I will show you how to adjust these. First let's shrink the size of these columns to make this Gantt chart bigger. So what we will do that, we will shrink the size of these columns. Go here, we will click time scale. So date interval we will select not month per week, we will select year per month. Click apply and OK. So now we are seeing this Gantt chart on the monthly basis. So you can always check, if your schedule is small, then you can click this option month per week. But if your schedule is big for 2 years or 3 years, then you select here year per month or year per quarter, whatever you want. So year per month we have selected, click apply and OK. But still you are not able to. So these these lines for this weeks are not looking very beautiful, so we don't want to show these lines. So we'll go to bar chart options, side lines. So we don't want to show here. Click OK. So the reason that your project time start is not shown here is that in the options settings we have selected project start. So the time scale is starting from project start, but we want to delay it. Delay it means we want to show from before the project start, okay, 1 month or maybe 2 or 3 weeks before the project start. So project start minus 1 month you will write here, and here you will write plus 1 month. Okay, now you see that our time scale is starting from here, and it is finishing on here. So all of our activities are shown in this Gantt chart. So we want to do some more settings. So what we will do that, if you will shrink here, with this line you can shrink your time scale. Now you see that, you will see here this shrink time scale. Now we want to adjust this header and footers. So we'll go to here, margins you can select here. Okay, we'll keep on 0.5. You want to change the margin 0.75, 0.75, you can change it from here. Then go to header. So in the header, these are different sections. The first section is showing the text logo, second section is showing text logo, the third section is also showing the text and logo. So in the first section we want to show any we want to show here, we want to paste the logo of the project. So what we will do that, first we need to increase the height like this one. Then you go here, modify. So in the modify, project name is shown here. So what you will do that, So you need to go here and click this button, and you can, wherever you have saved your logo, so this is logo of Y company, so you can paste it here. So with this selection you can change the size of the logo. Then here the logo of this client, you can put it here. Similarly you can reduce its size. So these extra spaces you are seeing here, so you can modify and go to paint, and then you can modify here. So click OK and click apply. So you need to increase some more height, pasted here. So this second one we will rename it. What we'll do that, we'll write the name of the project. Okay, sample construction project. Select it and go to this one. So here you can select your font, bold, 18, and if you want to make it underline and give some other color, so you can adjust here. So you want to make it on center line, you just click this option. So now it is center line. So this third one, you need to go here. So this one date, so this one what you need here, so here you will write, you can select here this CD current date, by pressing the space bar. So we will keep it on this right corner. Select this one, go to font, CD, and then schedule date or current date, data date. Okay, then click this option. First you need to select from drop down list, and then you must click this option, add variable. So now the data date is added here. So this one also will go here. We'll select captured MS, bold, 14. So now your data date and the current date is shown here. So here you can put the logos of your project, and then here you can write the name of your project, and here you can put the current date and the data date. So for the footers, what we will do that, we will divide into only two sections. So here we will divide into two sections. The first section is the Gantt chart legend, so that is okay. The second one we can reduce and page number and total number of pages, so that is okay. Let it keep it like this. So page 1 of 32. So like this one you can by clicking this cursor you can adjust there the width of this box. So click OK and finish. So now the sprint setup is ready. So now you can click here this option print, and here you can select Microsoft Print to PDF and then click OK. So you can save anywhere your PDF, write the name take some time and the print will be ready. You see here, so this is the PDF of our program. So the data date and this current date is shown here. So this Gantt chart is clearly visible. So this way you can do the settings for your print. So I hope that you must have enjoyed today's lecture. So up to the next lecture, what we'll do that in the next lecture, we will learn how to create this activity coding. We'll learn about the activity coding and also import and export, how we'll do, and some other settings for the PCs. So thank you very much.